could tell you, I don't think you'd believe how long I've felt this.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to give you a look into my daily life as a full-time working mom who now works from home. I thought it'd be fun to share a simple vlog that captures what I do throughout the day. Sometimes working at home alone feels a bit lonely, and seeing other people's experiences make me feel like I'm not so alone. So I hope you'll enjoy it and go through the day with me. So while I'm filming this, it is Monday morning, and usually Mondays are really hard for me because I am just getting over the weekend activities and my mind is just so frazzled and busy. So Monday mornings are actually a really good time for me to wind down and be present to the tasks and the week ahead. It's my downtime to really plan out what I need for the rest of the week. Now that I have done my planning and got my head wrapped around the week's activities, I want to sit down and have a heart-to-heart with all of you about a topic that's been on my mind lately, and that is taking a career pause as a working mom. I've been contemplating this decision because I truly believe it's the right path for me at this point in my life. When I look at my children, I see their bright eyes filled with curiosity and their infectious laughter that can melt even the toughest of hearts. And these are the moments I never want to miss. I want to be there for them, to witness their milestones, and to create lasting memories with them. Unfortunately, the daily grind of my job often leaves me with just a few precious hours in the day to spend with my little ones. And during those times, it's more child rearing and getting them on schedule, to eat, to go to bed, to do tasks, and not spending precious time with them. And if I'm being honest, it feels incredible. Now, I fully acknowledge that considering a career pause is a very privileged choice. I know that not everyone has the opportunity to even entertain this thought. Many parents out there work tirelessly to provide for their family. However, I also believe that we can find alternative, creative solutions that allow us to be more present for our children without sacrificing our financial stability. And that's why I am going to explore online income opportunities, and I hope. So if you are a parent out there craving more time with your kids, or if you're simply just curious about how to create a more fulfilling balance in your life, hit that subscribe button and join me on this adventure. Let's embrace the gift of parenthood and explore the possibilities of a more present and joyful experience. With that said, I hope you will enjoy the visuals of the rest of my workday.
Found myself smiling more. The moment you leave, I feel down again. I talk to myself on the floor just to feel less alone. I swear that I'm trying my best. You tell me the stress shouldn't be a friend. I wonder where I'll end up next, on the corner of hope. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word even when it hurts, everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling.
And my workday
ends at 5, so I hope you enjoyed watching my day in the life of a working mom, and I hope I'll see you next one.